This is the Kia EV6 remote key fob. Obviously the buttons to lock, unlock, etc. But did you know if you lock the vehicle, you can actually remote start it with this button here, and that will remote start it, and then you unlock it, and you don't need to press the start button in your vehicle to start the car. So all you have to do is, once you're in, is close the door and put it into reverse, and then you don't even have to press the start button. So you can remote start your Kia and then drive away.